How you doing, everybody? Jim Schroeder here, your Hoosier auto guy here at Kia of Bradley. And this is just in. It's a 2021 Kia Sorento EX with the X-Line package. So you get the matte finished wheels there, the black roof rails, has about an inch higher ground clearance, I believe it is. Fresh off the truck. I'm trying to do quick videos of vehicles when they come in because of the inventory shortage on new cars for everywhere. It's tough to keep up with what's out there. We don't have a lot of vehicles on the lot. It's like that at every new car dealership, whether it's Kia, Ford, Honda, Toyota, Chevy, everybody's having the same issue. This one just came off the truck a few minutes ago. It does have the X-Line package, so you're gonna have the bigger screen there with the navigation built in. It does have some other things here as well. So here's your the different features on here as well too. You can take a quick look at that. But absolutely gorgeous. Here's your 40,325 is the 325 is the MSRP. You can see the different things that come on the X-Line package there. So you get the panoramic sunroof, the navigation, the drive mode select, the X-Line edition, accent trim and all that good stuff. 20-inch the matte gray wheels, absolutely gorgeous. This does have the bigger motor in it. It is the turbo 4-cylinder that replaced the 6-cylinder from last year. It actually has, I can't remember if it's more horsepower or more torque. It's one of the two of those, but actually it gets better gas mileage than last year's model as well. So you're going to get better gas mileage and, like I said, either horsepower or torque there. So you got 24 overall, so a little bit better on the highway. There was a 28 on the highway. It was fantastic, getting much better gas mileage. Last year's 6-cylinder, I think, was 26 on the highway, something like that. Absolutely gorgeous. Give me a call. Number's there at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that it's still here for you. If you have any questions, let me know. It is all-wheel drive as well, too. The X-Lines are all-wheel drive. Thanks. I'll talk to you soon.